Yes, this is Doug Kerr again with my new technology number 3. And one of the things I tried to find was a way to assess students quickly. In physical education, we don't get to do much in the gymnasium, but we do teach health. And we were always looking for new technologies. The other PE teacher and I searched for ways to assess the students' knowledge while we're teaching and to see if they're actually catching on to what we're doing. So we found that Socrative, the purpose of this site is to help teachers um, create quizzes for their classrooms. Students will log into the site and create an online classroom. Teachers can then track the students' progress and provide instant feedback to the students. Teachers can also create out-the-door tickets for students to show comprehension and retainment of the information given during the class. It is designed for teachers to use for assessment, but students will have to be logged in, so we have to introduce it to them to create our online communities. They'll be plugged into the site through these communities, and they are allowed to get feedback as well as us. IST standards 1A for the teachers and 3B. And the example I have is a health test that we can provide going over different systems of the body. We can provide an example right away. Are they getting it? Are they not? We can check the data. We can actually watch them as they answer the questions, how long it takes them to think of the question and the answer. There's a timer mechanism on it as well. And it's pretty cool. So what I do want to do is show you the Socrative.com site. And if you go on there, there is a free account. All the sites I've found so far are free. You can use the app or you can use it online. And I'm going to go ahead and click over to the account that I already have set up, and try to give you an example of just exactly what we've used it for. Recently, I used an exit ticket when we are using health, and we come in here and ask a question, and we were able to get an answer. The students pop it on, and when we see their answer up on the board, they're allowed to leave. And we can ask what does BPM mean when it comes to heart rate, and when they answer the question, it means beats per minute. We can see right where it comes from. Their profile will pop up, and it allows us to say, okay, you're out the door. Obviously, you got that today. And it's really a great way to close a classroom, and it gives us another way of assessing students. So Socrative.com, really good site if you're looking for to explore ways to test your kids outside the standardized tests and see if your lessons are making it work. I know our health classes, we have 6 individual health classes, and Socrative.com allows us to see if kids are understanding it first or second block, and we can adjust our lessons within the day based off the data that we get from first and second block. Or maybe the kids are getting it real easy, we need to add to it. So that helps us the next time we have them in class. So Socrative.com, really good website. It is free, and I strongly recommend it.